Best pellet grills. In recent years, the demand for the best pellet grills has surged as more people embrace the art of wood-fired cooking at home. Pellet grills offer an unbeatable combination of smoky flavor, precise temperature control, and user-friendly design. This guide evaluates models based on type, build quality, cooking performance, temperature stability, and overall value for money, helping you find the perfect grill for backyard barbecues, family gatherings, or weekend smoking sessions.
Product number 1. Z-Grillz ZPG 450A Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker with PID V2.1 controller, 459 square inches of cooking area. The Z-Grillz ZPG 450A is a well-balanced grill and smoker ideal for both beginners and pros. Its upgraded PID V2.1 controller ensures consistent temperature precision, crucial for achieving perfect smoke flavor and even cooking. With 459 square inches of cooking space, it's large enough for family meals, yet compact enough for small patios. Its durable stainless steel build resists rust and maintains heat efficiently. This grill also offers an automatic feed system for hassle-free cooking, while its 8-in-1 versatility lets you grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, sear, barbecue, and char. Cleanup is simple with its waste oil collector and easy-access grease tray. For its size, the 450A delivers excellent performance and reliability, making it one of the best value pellet grills on the market.
Product number 2. Pit Boss PB440 FB1 Pellet Grill, 482 square inches, black. The Pit Boss PB440 FB1 offers robust performance in a sleek powder-coated steel body. With 482 square inches of grilling surface, it's large enough to handle multiple racks of ribs or a full brisket. Its digital control board allows you to easily set temperatures from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, providing excellent flexibility for grilling, smoking, or baking. The cast iron cooking grates ensure even heat distribution and lasting durability. A standout feature is its flame broiler lever, giving you the option for both direct and indirect heat cooking, perfect for searing steaks. The hopper capacity allows for long smoking sessions without frequent refills, and its sturdy side shelf provides extra prep space. Reliable, durable, and easy to use, the PB440 FB1 combines great value with Pit Boss's signature performance and quality craftsmanship.
Product number 3. Pit Boss PB150 PPG Tabletop Wood Pellet Grill, black, 11091. Compact yet powerful, the Pit Boss PB150 PPG Tabletop Grill is the ideal choice for camping, tailgating, or small outdoor spaces. Despite its portable design, it delivers the same rich, smoky flavor as larger models. With a 256 square inch cooking surface and digital control board, it's easy to manage temperature for precision cooking. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability, while the fan-forced convection system provides even heat and efficient pellet use. The locking lid and latching hopper lid make it easy to transport, and the stainless steel cooking grates are both rust-resistant and easy to clean. While smaller than traditional backyard grills, the PB150 PPG punches well above its weight, offering Pit Boss's signature quality and performance in a travel-friendly design. It's the perfect grill for those who love smoked flavor on the go.
Product number 4. Traeger Grillz Pro 575 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker with Wi-Fi, app-enabled, black. The Traeger Pro 575 brings innovation to outdoor cooking with its Wi-Fi technology, allowing you to control the grill from anywhere via the Traeger app. It's built with premium materials and offers a generous 575 square inches of cooking space, enough for up to 24 burgers or 5 racks of ribs. The advanced D2 direct drive system ensures faster heating and more efficient pellet use. The integrated meat probe monitors doneness without lifting the lid, while the digital temperature controller maintains consistent heat for superior results. This model shines in convenience, connectivity, and flavor control. Though pricier than some competitors, its performance and smart features justify the cost. For tech-savvy grillers who want precision and premium quality, the Traeger Pro 575 stands as one of the best pellet grills in its class.
Product number 5. The grillz ZPG 550B2 Wood Pellet Smoker. 8-in-1 BBQ grill with latest PID technology LCD controller. The ZPG 550B2 is a powerful all-rounder, featuring an advanced PID temperature control system for ultimate consistency. Its 8-in-1 versatility lets you smoke, grill, bake, roast, braise, and more, all in one sleek stainless steel unit. The 550B2 offers 553 square inches of cooking space and a large 10-pound hopper, allowing for hours of continuous grilling without refilling. The upgraded LCD controller provides precise temperature readings and intuitive operation. Built from heavy-duty steel with a high-temperature powder coating, it's designed for longevity and performance. This model also includes a convenient grease management system for easy cleanup. For backyard chefs seeking reliability, advanced temperature precision, and exceptional flavor output, the ZPG 550B2 is a top-tier option that delivers premium results without the premium price tag.